biscuits. What are we doing today? Cleaned out the back of the truck. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Carrot bird. Cardboard. Check. Way too much cardboard. Check. Huh? Hey, the cleaning job in the back of that truck for me to cut a watermelon.
I'm sure that if they weren't clean.
Shh, it's okay. It's okay. Shh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Shh. Shh. Shh.
Let me get my pistol and put a couple holes in that thing.
Shh.
That's embarrassing.
Shh. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to cry. It'll all be better soon. It'll all be better. Don't cry. Don't cry. Now you're gonna cry. Don't you just like slapping things like that? So here's the plan on this beautiful. Is that gonna stay? No, it's not gonna stay. Here's the plan on this beautiful. I'm gonna unbutton the shirt a little bit. Friday afternoon. Spirits are up. It's Friday. We're off on Monday. So before we jump into the video today, we're gonna cut open a little watermelon. Cut open some watermelon. Shirt's coming off, guys. Shirt is coming off. Woo! Let's get started. All right, what the hell am I gonna cut this open with? Lance is letting me use this special knife as he's face deep in that biscuit. The knife that he gave me has a picture of a truck on it. I'll show you guys. Hold on. It's got a picture of it's got a truck on it. You see it? You see the truck? There you go. It's got a truck on it. Is it gonna go really good or really bad? Clean my knife off. That's sanitary, right? Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay. Nurse, scalpel, please. Oh. Whoa. Oh, look at that red color. Shh, shh, it's okay, it's okay. We gave the patient plenty of anesthesia. We gave the patient anesthesia, he can't feel a thing. That wide bow tie ASMR, that's what this is. My cut's not very even, but y'all ready for that? Woo! Oh, beautiful. That's 10,000 channel subscriber worthy right there. Hopefully the camera don't fall. Would you like the honors?
No, thank you. You go first.
You like seeds or no seeds?
I think you like seeds.
And now, watermelon experts. That's good shit right there. You're not the only one that rides around with tires in the back for no reason.
I got that squat going on.
Squat? The squat? Squat in the dually. So here's the deal. Tires are supposed to be coming in for the Tahoe today, and they're not here. And I'm a little upset. So to pass the time, we're gonna hop in Lance's really hot truck right now.
Are you upset? I don't look upset. AC.
I can't. You gotta push it forward. There we go. Yeah. Hopping in the dually with the red guts.
Harder in 93.
Whoa.
Get it together now. Look at you. We don't have insurance. Were you born in 93, bro?
Dually with the red guts. So
is this truck older than you?
It is, yeah. I was born in 97.
My goodness. The AC still working? That's it. He's getting a life jacket if he comes on the boat.
So I'm waiting for the tires to come in. The rest of them are heading out after lunch. But we're going to get some of the best chicken wings I've ever had in my entire life. Yes, best chicken wings in my entire life. Stay. You guys aren't ready for this. We gotta wait. That could be my tire right there. They just pulled up in the truck.
I'll be back when you get back.
They just pulled up in the truck. No, we gotta wait to see.
Kick him out. Look at that back window. Get out of there.
No. Our tire could be sitting back there right now. I guess the chicken wings are more important.
Lois. She's little. Spears, but little. They just fucked that all up. And this is it. See. Cobb County. Cobb County.
Did Bean make that sticker for you?
You know, I expected a Paulding tag.
And so, sheepy butt, little.
Doesn't even match anything on the car.
Maybe it matches what's in between her bridges.
Oh, it's behind her bridges?
Yeah. She been up big, you devil fierce.
Girl from Bader there.
Got us sitting down at the bar during the COVID-19 pandemic. We eat chicken wings anyway.
What's going on Thursday?
Well, I impatiently suffered through the greatest chicken wings of my entire life to come back. And the last tire's not here. Oh, not here. So I will tell you guys, we got some 305s, some Terra grapplers to go onto the Tahoe, but the fourth one is not here. We only have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was so excited to get these on today. Unfortunately, these will have to wait until Tuesday. We probably won't get the last tire until Tuesday, so you guys won't get to see the 33s go on to the Tahoe until Tuesday or Wednesday, because the video will come out a day late. So I'm sorry for the setback, and Christina's not going to be too happy. I was really excited about that. Cold start up, cammed 6.0. Oh man. Oh, all right. The old stock 5.3. Oh man. Woo! Yeah, I like that. Well, since the tires for the Tahoe did not come in today, there's only, I don't want to say there's only one thing left to do, but there is kind of only one thing left to do today, and that's to put the stock or the clear lens headlights back in. You guys have been giving me so much input on Instagram about these headlights, and don't get me wrong, I really do like these headlights, but like most of you said, it doesn't fit the scheme of the truck. I put them in here for a couple of days because Ashley sent them to me. Huge shout out to Ashley again. Gandy278, I believe. I'm gonna put his I want to say I put it over here, or maybe it's over, I can never remember where it goes. But a huge shout out to him for sending them to me. I'm gonna keep them for a little while. Maybe I'll switch back and forth with them, just like the squat. I switch back and forth between the squat and no squat, because you know, everything's temporary. We like to have fun and switch it up every now and then on the channel. But there's one thing left to do, and that's to put the clear lights back in, because we got 2 meets tomorrow, 2, and a very big special guest on the channel tomorrow as well. So you guys need to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to all the videos. Let's put these lights back in the truck. Bam, just like that. Back to looking right. Yeah, those definitely look better without even thinking twice.
Texting and driving.
I said I was gonna give up rap music.
No, I'm not listening to country.
No, I'm playing rap music.
Coronavirus.
So my dumb ass, I don't know how.
I know how.
So I'm hitting the, y'all can see them flickering a little bit. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what's going on, what it's not supposed to look like, and the headlight's not working right now. So I don't know what I did. It's not working.
Give me your keys. Give me your keys.
Whatever I did, it ain't working. So like I said earlier, we got 2 truck meets that we're going to tomorrow. One's at 12 that JW is going to be at. So if you guys stick around in this video long enough to hear that, make sure you guys stay tuned tomorrow. Special guest on the channel. Good news is we did get the old headlights put back in. They look really good. The bad news is it's not working how it's supposed to. I guess that's what I get for messing around and switching them out. Obviously you can tell there's a big difference. I am not dealing with that right now. I'll figure that out in the morning before I go. But you know, that's kind of how things go on this channel. We figure them out as we go, and we find a way to slightly toast things and get this bread. Whoa. Wait, open it. Whoa. 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 Butter, biscuit, cheese, ground beef, pepperoni, biscuit, cheese, pepperoni, cheese. Something that I don't know what the hell it is. She found it was a TikTok.
Yeah.
She found it on TikTok, and we're making it tonight. So we're gonna end the video off with something good. Something good. Biscuit. Hey, I want you guys to know, biscuit is considered bread. It's all baked the same.
Oh, and I put honey butter in the lining of the pan, so it should be really good.
It's all baked the same. So we're getting this bread tonight. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I know you don't see it. You can't see it, but y'all see that? Look at, you can't really see it. Just know. It's gonna be good. What are you doing? What are you?
Ate. He's feeling good.
What are you doing? Hey, big boy. Hi. Hello.
We're gonna go for a big walk tomorrow.
Hi.
Gonna go to
Big
Grandma
boy.
and Grandpa's house.
Big boy. Dang. Looks good.
A roller go.
Now we eat. That shit was so good. Make sure you guys come back tomorrow. A lot of great stuff happening this weekend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're on the road to 100 days straight of daily vlogging, so you guys need to hit that subscribe button. Follow along because we're dropping bangers every day at 8 o'clock. That's all you need to know. Every day, 8 o'clock, bangers, wide stuff, lifted stuff, squatted stuff. Banger videos. Banger videos on this channel, this one right here. So hit the subscribe button. Headbangers? No.
Booty bangers.
No.
Foot bangers.
No, like.
Tongue bangers.
Like.
Arm bangers. Head bangers. Like I said in the first place.
I'm gonna end it there. It's getting kind of weird. Let's get this bread.